Alright, so you start with your pieces right side together. This is the first place that I put a pin, and then I'm going to pin it all the way around, and I went ahead and did both sides, but you stitch from here to here, you stitch from here to here, and then you do the head. Oh, that may have all been out of frame. Well, okay, here. This is some high quality production values. So I pin a whole side, and you have to just go kind of slowly. I go about 1 inch at a time, like this. You're just kind of easing it to get it to match up along the edge. And all the way up to the top. And I went ahead and did both sides. The first couple I did one at a time, like I would do one side and then sew it, and then I would pin the other side, but I think it's just as easy to do it all at once. And the same thing, you start at that curve in the tail right there, and then the tail is straight, so it's easy, and then just the same thing, just like 1 inch at a time. And it helps when you start approaching this seam here to go ahead and line the head up. And I put usually put one right about there, so you can see it all kind of starts to come together.